Mrs. Hensley's friends. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I'm happy to see you guys back. I hope you're having a terrific Tuesday, and I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend this past weekend. Okay, it is time to start our calendar, and we have quite a few dates to add to our calendar. When we left, it was Friday, September the 4th, 2020. So today is over here on Tuesday. So we need to add more numbers, okay? So let's add those. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to add 5 for Saturday. 6 for Sunday, 7 for yesterday, and today is September the 8th, 2020, so we need to add the 8. Who remembers what month it is? September, remember? Okay, here we go. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! Good job. Okay, so we know our month that we are in is September, and there are 12 months in a year. Now, we've got to do our days of the week. Who knows what today is? I believe I just said what today is. It is Tuesday today. Okay, so today, coming back, is Tuesday. It starts with the letter T. Okay, today is Tuesday. So what comes after Tuesday? Because whatever comes after Tuesday is tomorrow. So let's sing our 7-day song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we know today is Tuesday. Let's find out what tomorrow will be. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What? Wednesday. We have to put Wednesday on there. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. That starts with a W sound, W. Here we go. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now we need to know what day of the week comes before what comes before Tuesday, and that will be yesterday. So what comes before Tuesday? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What comes before that? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday. That is Monday, friends. Yesterday was Monday. So let's read our sentences. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. We are still in the season of summer. Remember, there is summer, fall, winter, and spring. There are 4 seasons. And we are right now still in summer. Okay? Okay, we need to add a day of the school day. So we're adding one more straw for today. So let's take these out and let's see how many days we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 school days today. Let's add a tally mark right here. And then we're going to write the number. Let's see what number we would write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 comes after the number 7. 8. Okay, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have been in school 8 days. Now it's time for us to write the date. Okay, let's see. I'm going to write in pink today. Let's see what month number September is. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So September is the 9th month. 9 dash. Let's look on our calendar. 9-8. Today is the 8th. So 9-8-20. You can write 2020 or you can just write the last two, 20. Okay, September. We're doing it the short way, which is called an abbreviation, so we can shorten September. September 8th, comma, 2020. Now we have to write it the long way. September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. 2 finger spaces, 8th, comma, 2020. So today is September the 8th, 2020. Good job. Okay, we're going to have our little talk. Okay, today you are not going to have I'm trying to think of it, a question of the day. Instead, you have 2 songs that you get to listen to and sing along with. So that will be a lot of fun. No question of the day today. Or actually, we're not doing questions of the day anymore right now. So today, we are going to work on our sound skills. We are going to work on phonics, and during phonics, we will meet Echo. Echo's a very special someone, and you will get to meet Echo. Then we're working on our letter naming fluency. Fluency is how well you read something and how quickly you read it. But you have to not only read it quickly, you have to read it fluently, which means you have to do your best. Okay? You could read something really fast and you could mess up. But we don't want to mess up. We want to do it correctly and fast. Okay? So we'll practice that because you just have to practice to get it faster and faster. We'll start out slow, and as the days go by, because we'll be doing it every day, you'll end up getting faster and faster. Okay, then Mrs. Hensley is going to read 10 apples up on top, and then you're going to have an activity to do with 10 apples up on top. And then Mrs. Hensley is going to introduce the first page of your September journal. Don't be writing in that journal yet. Mrs. Hensley is going to show you what to do on your first page. Okay, and that is all that I have for today. I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and Mrs. Hensley will see you soon.